Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Hiccups. I want to tell you a story about my friend Blue Robot. Well, you know, Blue Robot doesn't have feet. He's a robot. So he gets around on his movable tracks, and just like your shoes, they get worn out and he needs to get new ones. It was a couple days before he was going to get his new tracks, and Blue Robot was super excited. He had picked out super cool red ones with extra tracking grip. He told everyone in the neighborhood about them. Passing Busy and Jumper, Blue said, "Only 2 more days till I get my super cool red treads with extra tracking grip." Busy and Jumper yelled back, "Way to go, Blue! Can't wait to see them." It was all that Blue Robot could think about, and even had a hard time falling asleep. The day before he was to get fitted, the track shop called and said that they had run out of super cool red ones with the extra tracking grip and wouldn't have new ones in stock for 2 weeks, though they did have the green ones. This made Blue very sad. He didn't want the green ones, and 2 weeks seemed like forever. Ella Fluffafont and Jerry Fluffaraff walked by and saw Blue Robot crying and came by and sat next to him. "Why are you crying?" asked Ella. Blue said, "I wanted to get my new treads tomorrow, and now it won't be for 2 more weeks, and plus I'm mad at myself for feeling sad." Jerry said, "It's okay to be sad, Blue. That sounds very disappointing." "Yes, it is," said Blue Robot. Ella said, "I have a really good idea," because Ella always has good ideas. "Blue, why don't you be sad for 10 more minutes and then come play soccer with us over in the park?" Jerry said, "Yeah, that's a great idea." Ella and Jerry went over to the park, and Blue Robot sat there for a couple more minutes. He could see his friends running around, having fun and laughing. And Blue Robot sat for a couple more minutes and then got up and scurried over to the park. And that's my story for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you really soon.